Hello everybody, this is my first proper video and I thought I'd do a Temu haul. Please forgive any mistakes I make because I'm very new. So there we go. Oh, my name's Gert. On here it's Gert. Not my real name, what my friends called me. Right, so first thing, it's a pot with a lid. So cute. And then I have another pot with, sorry about the noise, the corks. I have tried to undo everything because, well, it's very noisy. There is a lizard. I quite like him. And some dragonfly wings, which I've already used. I only got this lot this morning, but I thought I'd try it all out. There's some butterflies. And a cat mould. I've been looking forward to getting this one because I've seen someone make one and it was very, very pretty. I can't remember who it was, so I do apologise. This, I expected being a bit bigger, but okay, it's not too bad. I could put all my overspills in. Oh, well, not my overspills, but whatever I've made too much of, which is a usual. And here's my frog. Froggy mould. And then this one was actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. And it's like a memorial thing. And if you can hear anything in the background, it's probably my cats being silly. So, I don't know if you can see that properly. It has wings and you hold them up like that. I think they're the right way around. But I thought I could use the tray on its own, could use the wings together, wing on its own. So that's 3 in 1 to me. So I thought that was quite nice. And here is a peacock. I've seen someone use this one as well, and they use some really pretty colours. I'm hoping, oh, cats, hair everywhere, little buggers. I'm hoping I've got some similar colours that will make it come out really nicely. So that's a good one to try. I've also gone mad over some stickers. I'm a huge cat fan and unicorn fan. And these stickers just really, really shone out to me. I just thought they were really pretty. There's not one single repeat. They're all slightly different. I've got some bats on. And more scenes. Oh, unicorn. That's probably upside down now. Unicorn. I don't know if you can see it. I really need to check if I can actually see this lot. But yeah, there's lots and lots and lots of these stickers. Very, very nice stickers, and I'm hoping to be able to use them in resin. Then I've got, oh, UV light. And it's a rechargeable one. So you can see the jobby there. Type C, I think it is. It's very good. I've tried that earlier. Very, very nice to work with. Lots of necklaces. And more of these temporary tattoos. And these are actually really quite pretty. I'm sorry if it's glaring. But it's different flowers. I thought they were quite nice. Be able to use them and put all sorts of different colours behind them. I especially like, which one is it? That one, because it's got the butterflies. And yet, I'm not really a butterfly person. Butterflies come near me and I'm like, eek! I'd like to run. Got some stickers, roses for nails, but I think you can use them in anything. Got some lacy like nail transfer tape. Very pretty. Can't really see it very well because the table's black. So there's a couple of designs in there. It's quite nice. And then I bought some more of these. Basically, I saw the kit, what do you call it? Oh, hand. But it only seems to be one in it. But I've got plenty of these anyway, so it's just that one I wanted. I've also got some butterfly stickers, but they're see-through. It's like, it says pet large butterfly sticker. It's PET tape really. It's nice. They're all very pretty. There's 2 of each design in there. I've got some little angel wings. Now these are supposed to be for nails again, but I thought, well, I can use them on anything. Same with these. Lots of little bits and bobs. I like the little moons. Some thank you envelopes and thank you stickers, because I am hopefully going to start selling some more stuff on Etsy. Then I've got these in here. There's some really tiny, teeny tiny roses. I thought they were quite pretty. I'm a bit of a magpie. If it twinkles, I'll have it. And then I got, I'm just going to drag them all out into one spot, and then you'll be able to see the amount of colours. Although 2 of these are cat's eyes. That one. Oh, where's it gone? That one. The cat's eye stuff that I've seen Sally Ann and Tracy use. In fact, everything I bought basically is because other people have done it, and I thought, oh, I might like to do that. So I don't know if you can see all these colours, but they are absolutely beautiful. And I have used a few of them today, and I'll show you something in a minute that I've made using those and UV resin. I've also got these. They both came in a box, but I've took these out to have a look at them, just to hold my nails onto so I can paint them, because I don't know about anybody else. I put my nails on my left hand and they look alright. I mean, they're not brilliant, but then I go and do my right hand and I can't paint them for love nor money. They're a right mess. So I thought, if I try and get something I can paint onto first and have sticky on nails rather than this poly gel. I mean, I don't even do the underneath. That's how bad I am. But we'll see. I've also bought a little whisk for... Ooh, can beat somebody up with that. Kidding. A little... It's like a resin crate, but it's not resin crate. I want to get some of that though. It's just a cheap works thing, and I thought I'd trial it and see what I can do with it. But I needed a whisk. And then I think the last thing I've got is the little sticky on pads for the nails. I think that's it. I can't see where I've hidden anything else. Oh, but there is one thing I have got, and this is Daniel Cooper's fault. This is not from Temu, this is from Amazon. And it's this. Apparently you heat it up in some hot water and then press whatever you want to put in it, and it makes a mould. And then when you've done with it, you just reheat it and start again. So I'm going to have some fun with that, because I've got a nice buckle. I think I might be able to try, see if I can get a print of it. Print? I don't even know what I'm talking about. Anyway, the thing I wanted to show you that I've used with the dragonfly wings is here. Yes, I know it's not brilliant. It was just a trial. But the dragonfly wings were supposed to be for earrings, and that's not what I wanted to use it for, but I did want to do something different with it. And I have these skulls that I usually just pour the rest of my mix into. I thought, I wonder what that'd look like. I've probably even got the wings the wrong way round, but I like it. It's pretty. And for a practice run, it's not too bad. It could be better because there's lots of little bubbles in it and some little holes. But then I suppose it doesn't have to be perfect if it's supposed to be something quite deadly. But then I've also 3D printed out a little necklace pendant shape of a dragonfly, and I thought, I wonder what I can do with that, because it failed, it didn't work. I thought, I wonder what I can do with that. So I thought, I don't know, UV resin, mica powders, glitters, and it's come out, I think, quite well. Again, not perfect, but who needs perfect? Perfect's boring. I think I might need to put a backing coat on because it feels a little bit rough where the glitter's been. But yeah, I think it's worked out quite well. So, for my first video, I hope you like it, and I hope you come back to watch more. And I've run out of things to say. So, thank you, and see you soon. Bye!